Hello everyone, welcome to this course. Today we will learn hands-on part of versions. So let's start. First is maintain version. T code is OKEQ. I repeat, T code is OKEQ and path is SPRO. SAP IMG reference, SAP reference IMG, and then controlling, general controlling, and organization, and maintain version. Maintain version. Now click on positions. Versions give 0 for actual posting and check version 0 and double click on settings for each physical year. Now give controlling area. Our controlling area is VM01 and version 0. Enter. See, SAP automatically display 5 physical year in version settings based on the physical year variant we define in controlling area. T code is OKKP under activate components. That means we have already defined 2026 in T code OKKP. For now, we don't need to do anything, we will just save it. Data already saved. Next, find ledger for conversion. There is no direct T code for this. We will access it through the IMG path. So SPRO, SAP reference IMG and controlling, under controlling, general controlling and organization, and define ledger for conversion. Define ledger for conversion. Now new entries and area means controlling area. Our controlling area is VM01 and version is 0 and ledger we define 0L. It's a leading ledger or a default ledger. Now just save. Okay, and under Bhumi test TR. Okay, data was saved. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope today's topic was clear. In the next session, we will start with material ledger activation. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.